Today I will show you how to fix sound problem on XShorts. So just watch and follow this video till the end. Open guys your settings of your phone first. Click on apps option and search for XShorts and click. Here then scroll down this list, click add storage and click clear cache now. Back after that, click on force stop and click OK, and you move to Play Store or App Store. Update XShorts. Restart here your device and that's all. So don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. See you next tutorial.